we are going to see cave. To reach there, take the 37th exit in Salwa Road.
Drive few kilometers to reach at the off-road direction to cave.
You can find this signboard till the cave.
Please adhere to the procedures and instructions for security and safety. Follow the specified path for entering and exiting the cave. Climbing inside is prohibited. Suitable shoes must be worn. It is forbidden to draw, write or sculpt in the cave. Food is not allowed inside the cave. Children under 12 must be supervised. Visiting cave in the evening is not allowed.
Enjoy off-road riding. We will reach in the morning.
Misfir Cave is located in central Qatar, south of Rawdat Rashid. Rocks in and around the cave are made up of marine sediments that formed in a warm, shallow sea about 40 to 50 million years ago. The age of cave is unknown, but must be younger than the rocks that host the cave. Inside the cave, you can see two main sections of rocks, the Damman Formation and the Rus Formation. The base of the Damman Formation is characterized by a marker bed called the Rujm Aid. The term of marker bed is used for section of rock that is easily recognized in a visible expression such as a long cliff or in a cave. Panel below shows a map of Misfir Cave that was produced using surveying and cartography techniques to accurately depict a detailed representation of the cave. The plan view shows the area of the cave in the form of a horizontal flat map. The running profile view shows the area of the cave in the form of vertical slice that follows a red line A to A as shown on the plan view. Another vertical diagram of the cave is seen along the red line B to B. The combination of horizontal and vertical maps allow one to gain understanding of the cave size and shape. In addition to traditional surveying and cartography techniques, new digital technology allows for precise measurements and visualization in the form of detailed 3D bases. How was it formed? A deep cave system developed thousands of years ago due to dissolution of calcite and gypsum below water table in Rawdat Rashid area. The cave depth is unknown below ground surface. Continuous collapse of cave ceiling allowed the deep cavern to grow in size and for the rubble subsequently accumulate at the base of the cave. Cracks in rocks above the cave aid in the ongoing collapse. Occasionally, the collapse reaches the ground surface and results in an opening like Misfir Cave, which is about 35 meters deep. Surface caves like Misfir are surface expressions of a complex cave system that exists much deeper below the ground surface.
This is the bottom part of the cave. Climbing up was comparatively easy.
I am climbing